Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. Looking for a clean, economical four-door vehicle? This might be it. This is the 2017 Ford Fusion. Stock number is 20316A. Take notice of the exterior condition. No dings, no dents, no scrapes, no scratches. Has just over 60,000 miles. This vehicle comes equipped with oil changes for life at no extra cost to you. Some of the extra things you get by doing business with us right here, the Sunset Auto family. Take notice of the ample legroom in the rear and the condition of the interior. Excellent, excellent condition. And then the front interior, you're going to see absolutely in impeccable condition and super comfy and roomy. Ease of access to all the controls with an arm's length, as you can see. So for more information on this Fusion or any other vehicles in our inventory, give us a call, email us, text us. We don't care. Come on down and see us. We'd like to meet you in person. Better yet, we hopefully can earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk-around. Take care. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.